So now question number 4. Subtract minus 6 from 3 and 3 from minus 6. So first of all we will subtract minus 6 from 3. So first part is, it is 3 minus 6. So it is 3 minus into minus plus 6. So 3 plus 6, it is 9. And in the second part, 3 from minus 6. So it is minus 6 minus 3. So which is equal to minus 9. The answer of first part is 9 and the answer of second part is minus 9. Now question is, are the results same? So are the results same? No. Because in the first part our answer is positive 9 and in the second part our answer is minus 9. So why they are not same? Because both have opposite sign. It is positive 9 and it is negative 9. So next question is question number 5. The sum of two integers is 48. If one of them is minus 25 find the other. So in this question the sum of two integers is given, that is 48, and if one of them is minus 25, then find the other. So one integer is given minus 25, then what will be the other? So sum of two integers, so that is first integer plus second integer, that is equal to sum. Now we will put the value, first integer, that is minus 25 plus second integer we are going to find, and the sum is 48. Now we will find the second integer. So second integer, that is equal to 48, and we will shift this minus 25 to right hand side. So when we shift this to right hand side, this negative change into positive. So now 48 plus 25, that is 8 plus 5, 13, 4 or 2, 6 or 1, 7. It is 73. So we can also check whether our answer is right or wrong. So if we find the sum, minus 25 plus 73, that is equal to 48. So here one is negative, first integer is negative, second is positive. So if we subtract, so we get 48. So that is equal to 48. So therefore our answer is right. So we have also checked whether our answer is right or wrong. So next question is, subtract the sum of 38 and minus 49 from minus 100. So here we have two questions. In the first part it is sum. Subtract the sum of, so first of all we will find the sum of 38 and minus 49. So how we will solve? So that is equal to 38 plus minus 49. So here we have used the symbol plus because in the question it is sum. So we are going to find the sum. So it is 38 plus into minus 49. Now both the integers have opposite sign. So we will subtract them, and when we subtract them, so it is 11. So now answer, what is the answer? It is positive 11 or negative 11. So it depends upon the symbol of greater value. So greater value symbol integer have negative symbol. So our answer is minus 11. So now question is minus 11 from minus 100. So this is the now second part. First of all, we have find the sum. That this is the answer of sum from minus 100. So again, it is equal to minus 100 minus 11. So it is minus 100 minus into minus plus, and it is 11. Now again, both have opposite side. So we will subtract them. So when we subtract them, so we get answer minus 89. Why it is minus 89? Because 100 has negative sign. So negative integer is greater, so therefore our answer is minus 89. So next question 7 is compare. In the first A part it is minus 25 plus minus 15. And second is minus 25 plus minus 15. So now we will compare which one is greater. So first of all we will solve. So it is minus 25 minus into minus plus 15. So when we will solve this, so we get minus 10. And here minus 25 plus into minus it is 15. So we get answer minus 40. So now it is minus 10 and it is minus 40. So which one is greater? So minus 10 is greater than minus 40. We know that in negative integer minus 10 is greater than minus 40. And now in question number 8, find the value of the first part is minus 3 minus 19. So again, when we solve it is minus 3 minus into minus plus 19. So again, both the integers have opposite signs. So we will subtract them. So 19 minus 3 it is 16. So answer is positive 16 because positive number is greater. And next we have B part minus 12 minus 8 minus 35. So here we have three integers. So again minus 12 minus 8 minus into minus plus it is 35. Now these two integers have negative sign, so we will collect them 7. So minus 12 minus 8, so it is minus 20. Because both have negative sign, we will add them. Now plus 35. Now we have changed three integers into two. Now one is negative and another is positive. So both have opposite signs, so we will subtract them. So 35 minus 20 it is 15. So answer is positive 15 because positive number is greater. In the F part it is 71 minus 83 minus 42 plus 15. So in this question we have four integers. So first of all it is 71 minus 83 minus into minus plus 42 then plus 15. Now how many positive integers are there? It is 71, 42 and 15. So we will collect them. 71 plus 42 plus 15, then we will write minus 83. Here we have written 4 integers. What we have only changed their order. So now all the three integers have positive sign, so we will add them. So it is 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 8, then 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 7 12, minus 83. So now again both have opposite sign. So 8 minus 3 it is 5, and 12 minus 8 it is 4. So answer is 45 because 120 has positive sign.